Good evening. We're going to start with lesson 2 today. Solve multiplicative comparison problems with unknowns in various positions. Blank is 3 times as many as 4. So we can actually think that 3 times 4, just like we did in lesson 1. And 3 times 4 is 12. So 12 is 3 times as many as 4. And how we would place that in our tape diagram is each one would get a 4 in each of the boxes to represent 3 times as many as 4. 18 is 3 times as many as blank. 18 divided by 3 gives you blank. So another ways to figure out these multiplicative comparisons is do the inverse operation, the opposite, which would be division, would help us come up with the answer. Again, we really need to practice our multiplication facts, because once we get stronger in that, all of this will become a piece of cake. So we need to know what is missing in these boxes. We need to figure out that in order to fill in our tape diagram. So 18 divided by 3, well, let's think to ourselves, 18 is equal to 3 times what? Well, 3 times what gives us 18? Would be 6. So in each one of these boxes, we would put 6. So 3 times as many as 6 gives us 18. 72 is blank times as many as 9. 72 divided by 9 would give us blank. So if we looked at our tape diagram, we would see that here we have one of our blocks is 9. And we would continue making our tape diagram by breaking this all up. But we don't know how many times you're breaking this all up. But we do know this whole tape would be worth 72. So now we have to think and say to ourselves, okay, well, let's think to ourselves and say, 9 times what gives us 72? And if we know our multiplication facts, 9 times 8 would give us 72. So then now if we know that, we can plug it in. 72 is 8 times as many as 9. So 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. So we would actually cut this tape diagram up into 8 pieces to show 8 times as many as 9. All right, our next one. 35 is blank times as many as 7. So again, let's do the inverse operation, which would be division. And so let's think to ourselves, 7 times what gives us 35? And again, if we know our facts well, we know that 7 times 5 is equal to 35. All right, just like in the past grades, I know you've heard of the read, draw, and write method, where we're going to read our word problem, draw it out, and then write our answer. So Sam scored 3 times as many points as Tim during a video game. Sam scores 21 points. How many points did Tim score? All right, so we are going to set up our tape diagram because we read it. Now we're going to draw it. And we don't know how many points he scored. But we do know that Sam scored 3 times as many as Tim. And we know that Sam scored a total of 21 points. So we don't know how much are going to go in these boxes. So what we have to do, guys, is do the inverse operation and think to ourselves, 3 times what will give us 21? And again, knowing our facts, 3 times 7 is equal to 21. So inside each one of these boxes would represent a 7. If you're doing your best, you won't have any time to worry about failure. Great quote to live by. Always do your best. First problem tonight. 30 is blank times as many as 6. What's the missing number? 45 is 9 times as many as how much? What's the missing number? Jaden picked 9 apples. Miss Mulvietta picked 63 apples. How many times more did Miss Mulvietta pick than Jaden? Wow, I'm a go-getter. I definitely picked up a lot of apples. So how many times more did I pick than Jaden? Don't try to be perfect. Just do your best. That's all I ask from you guys this year is just do your best.